So today's topic is signaling in railway. Okay, signaling in railway. Actually, we have some idea what is signaling in railway. As a layman or as a common people, we have some idea what is the signaling. What is the signaling in railway or what is signal? This kind of information we have. But in detail, when as an engineer we need to know the what is signaling. So then we can say the purpose of signaling and interlocking is primarily to control and regulate the movement of train safely and efficiently, and signaling includes operations and interlogging of signals points, block instruments and other allied equipments a predetermined manner for the safe and efficient running of trains. Signaling enables the movement of trains to be controlled in such a way that the existing tracks are utilized to the maximum. In fact, in railway terminology, signaling is a medium of communication between the station master or controller sitting in a remote place in the office and the loco pilot. Loco pilot means the driver of the train. Now these days the driver is called loco pilot, and the history of signaling goes back to the olden days when the two policemen on horseback were sent ahead to the train to ensure that the tracks were clear and to regulate the movement of the trains. In later years, policemen in uniform were placed at a regular intervals to regulate the movement of trains. And railway signaling is in its current form was introduced for the first time in England. Going forward, the same thing. What is signaling? Now we are getting some idea. Signaling is the to control our railway track, and the purpose of the railway track to serve the railway track in a proper way. Signaling system is required, and to maintain the traffic, railway traffic, to utilize the track, more utilization of the track, signaling system is very much important, and the technology behind the signaling system or the operation of the signaling system is very necessary. As an engineer, the things which we have need to understand we will understand, but lots of things are also like station areas, lots of things are in signaling, but basic things as a engineer, as a civil engineer, as a basic engineer, we should learn what is the signaling. Now the signaling consists of the systems, devices and means by which trains are operated uh, efficiently and tracks are used to maximize extent, maintaining the safety of the passengers, the staff and other rolling stock. Already the idea we have. Now the need of the signaling. Okay, the need or objective of the signaling, we can say the to regulate the movement of the trains so that they run safely at maximum permissible speeds, to maintain a safe distance between trains that are running on the same line in the same direction, to ensure the safety of two or more trains have to cross or approach each other, to provide facilities for safe and efficient shunting. Okay, after to regulate the arrival and departure of the trains from the station yard, to ensure the safety of the main at level crossings when the train is required to cross the path of road vehicles. These are the some objectives, and very simple, very known things we know, but again I want to say that you should mention when you have to be asked, you might be asked anytime, or you might be asked in exams, what is the need of the signaling, what is signaling, then these kind of explanations are very needful for you. Then after the need or objective of the signaling, the behind the signaling there is a history of signaling. Suppose 1825, first railway line for goods traffic was opened between Darlington to Stockton, UK. An uniformed men on horse guided the train, already I have said. And 1830, first passenger train between Liverpool and Manchester. Policemen were posted at fixed intervals. So this kind of history is already is there for signaling, and other railway signaling is current form was introduced for the first time. Also in 1842 also there is a history that in 1842 the railway signaling is introduced, whereas the interlocking was developed subsequently in 1867. After that, the classification of signals. Okay, basically the railway signals can be classified based on different characteristics like operational characteristics, functional characteristics, locational characteristics, spatial characteristics. Suppose the under operational characteristics, basic classification is communication of message in visual form, which is included in the operational characteristics. Example, fish signals. Okay, visual. Then functional characteristics. Under functional characteristics, basic of classification is signaling the loco-pilot to stop. Loco-pilot means driver. Signaling the loco-pilot to stop, move cautiously, proceed, or carry out shunting operations. Okay. Examples: stop signals, permissive signals, shunt signals. These are the some types of signaling which will come under the functional characteristics. Then locational characteristics. Basic of classification is reception of departure signals. Okay. All these things are available in your Agarwal book. Okay, you can follow. Just I am dictating. I am just saying the same things, but you can follow details when you will study. You will follow the Agarwal book, which is available to you now. So, in reception or departure signal, the example is reception, outer, home, departure, starter, and advanced starter signals. Okay. Then there is a constructional signal, semaphore or color light signal. Semaphore or color light, same. Semaphore, it's called semaphore or color light signal. Okay, basic of classification. An example is semaphore is lower quadrant or upper quadrant, or color light is two aspects or multiple aspects. Okay, this will come, no problem. Then special characteristics. Under special characteristics is mean for special purpose. Like example is calling on signals, repeater signals, coaching signals, etc. All the things are theory things. So you have to study for exam. It's no doubt about that. Next is the operational characteristics. We can, based on the way of their operation, signals can be classified as signals, suppose operating, detonating, hand, and fixed. Detonating, hand, and fixed. Okay. Suppose this is detonating signals. Okay. Detonating signals, these are the placed on the rails in foggy and cloudy weather. This is the very important signal. That's why I am talking first about this signal, because I think you don't have any idea that these detonating signals, because even when I heard first about the detonating signal during my B, I was surprised. What is detonating signals? Because detonating signals is there. It is very useful in railway. Okay, in foggy situation, when the visuality is not clear, the vision is totally blind. At that situation, these detonating signals are very useful for driver as well as for lineman. Okay, These are placed on the rails in foggy and cloudy weather when hand or fixed signals are not visible. Even foggy weather, the light is also not visible. This modern light, this LED light also not visible in foggy weather. At that situation, these detonating signals are very useful. Signals explodes with a loud sound when train passes over them. Normally, the lineman used two or three these detonating signals. Uh, when train is going with its speed, when the train passes this first detonating signal, he cannot get any sound. He cannot any sound due to his running. But after when he passed through this second detonator, he and blast after blasting he gets some sound. He gets some sound from this blasting, and he realized that something is not okay. Something is not going okay. I should stop the train because this sound, the generation of this sound, the driver can understand that there is some signal or I am not allowed to go ahead. So these kind of situations when created, this detonating signal is very useful. Also, this is the detonating signal. This is also in very popular in Indian Railway. Normally, linesmen are used this type of signals when foggy weather, basically in winter season. All the region in Bihar region, in the Jharkhand, even in Bengal, the UP, this detonator is used for signaling purpose. Okay, and this detonating signal, the sound of detonator draws attention of the driver to the proximity of the signals. From the safety point of view, the detonator must be placed on the rails at least 400 to 500 ahead of the signal to enable the driver to stop the train or to obey the signals. These signals consist of containers with explosive and are fixed to the rail by means of clips. And already you have seen the clip. This is the clip which is used to fix this detonator with the railway track. Okay. After that, the hand signal. This is the conventional system. As we know about the hand signal, already we have seen in railway. This type of signaling is done manually. Hand signals are given either by flag fixed to a wooden handle or by bare arms when flags are not available during the daytime. Okay. These are generally used by guards, station masters, cabin man or any other authorized man of the Indian railway or railway system. Uh, in further classification of signals, some signals just like detonating signal is for your audible signal, and this hand signal is your visible or fixed signal. Okay, sometimes visible, called visible, or maybe the fixed signals. Okay, during the night time, lamps are used in which movable glass slides of green, red and yellow shades are provided. Following are the signal conventions used. Suppose red flag or light. In the night time it is red light, and in the daytime it is red flag. Meaning of signals stop. This is also very popular now. Green flag or flight, proceed. Yellow light, proceed cautiously. Okay. Yellow light is also there, but yellow flag is not there. Red flag, red light is there. Green flag, green light is there. Yellow flag is not there. Yellow light is there. Yellow light is proceed cautiously. Okay. This yellow light you have seen in your in the during journey through railway track, or during journey you have seen this yellow light. This is also very common in railway or beside the railway track. This is the system of the flagging system or showing flag. How can a TT or a authorized person or a lineman or a station master can show their flag? This is the system. Functional characteristics. Okay, if when we talk about the functional characteristics, stop or semaphore. Semaphore normally the light system also we can say semaphore. This is no doubt about that. So there is semaphore, Warner signals, shunting signals. These are the shunting signals, and finally the colored light signals. Okay, colored light signals. Semaphore. This is the type. This is the type you can see in this figure. This is the semaphore system, or also we can say light system. Okay, light system, semaphore system. As a basic engineer, is okay. And finally the refined way we can say colored lights signals. This is available now these days, and normally we can see in the railway track or during railway journey. Stop or semaphore signals. Okay, stop or semaphore signal is the principle of design of semaphore signals is to show the stop position of any failure that happens to be in the apparatus. The signal mechanism is so arranged that in normal position it indicates the stop position. Okay. Again I am repeating, the principle of design of semaphore signal is to show the stop position of any failure that happens to be in the apparatus. The signal mechanism is so arranged that it normally position in indicate the stop position. Normally in a if we don't operate the signal system, normally its position is in a stop position, and obviously if there is any fault in the apparatus, if there is any fault in the system, always it will show the stop position. But when you need to pass your train, then always you show to the train as a it is in a OK position. Okay, that means in a proceed position, and that time you should active your key, you should active your signaling system to convert stop position to the proceed position. This is the actual semaphore signals. Normally these semaphore systems are reducing day by day. These are reducing very if in a rural system, in a village systems where the pocket routes are there, then semaphore systems are available. In even my home place, there is a pocket system. Their semaphore systems are available. These lighting systems are available. But in modern technology, this semaphore system is very backdated and it is not using now these days. These are some semaphore system: stop, caution, clear. Okay, this yellow light is somewhere this yellow is not available, but somewhere this yellow semaphore system is available. But the green and yellow is common. Green and yellow is always common, and this is actually normally this is the stop position, this is caution position, and this is clear position. When both the these semaphore are already is in down position, it is showing that you can go. Okay. Now this the operating time, position of arm, position of signal, indication given. Operating time, daytime, the position of arm is horizontal arm, inclined arm 45 to 60 degree. Position of signal, on position or off position, indication given, stop or proceed. At night time, position of arm is red light, green light, yellow light. Position of signal, on position or off position, indication given, stop, proceed cautiously. These are the three things. On these things, on based on these things, actually railway signaling system is active. Railway signal system is working there all the operations, all the activity they are following based on these three things: stop, proceed, proceed cautiously. Stop, proceed, proceed cautiously. Either completely stop, either proceed, or other proceed cautiously. When your line is not in a good position, suppose your the cushion bed, just you have now the rainy season is going on. Okay, due to this rainy season, this is the flood. Somewhere the railway track may be loose due to these humid conditions, due to these flood conditions. So at that situation, normally engineers or trackmen, they operate the railway with this signal: proceed cautiously. Okay, then easily the message will go to the passes to the driver that I have to pass, I have to go to the railway track with very cautiously, or they have given some specified speed. With this speed they have to go, or they have to carry the train as a driver. Okay, so the rainy season, or the in the in the floody season, or where flood is going on, at that side, these proceed cautiously is very important to the driver. Third serial number is the day or night time. Position of the arm, no signal. White, position of signal is not given. Indication given is danger, danger sign. Okay, no signal means no signal, or the white signal or white kind of things are totally indicate the danger or danger sign. Normally this is not the system which is taken by the Indian Railway. Only these things are normally very popular for Indian Railway or Indian Railway system, or to the linemen and engineers to the of Indian Railway. After that, these are the some wire operated semaphore. Wire, when wire is used, chain, some wire kind of chain kind of things are used to operate this arm, this spectacle, lamp, post. Some wire is there. This is the wire operated semaphore. I think you have idea or not, I don't know, but these things are totally now reducing. These things are reducing because signal. Wait, sorry, sorry. Huh? Sorry. Uh, Next, this is the wire operated semaphore, and wait, I'm sharing them. This is the wire operated semaphore, and now after that we have Warner signal. Okay, a semaphore signal at the entrance to station is combined with a Warner signal. The Warner signal is similar to semaphore signal in shape except a V notch at free end. The Warner signal is placed on the same post of semaphore signal at 1.8 to 2.1 meter below the semaphore signal, which is of yellow color. Okay, stop or semaphore signal. These are the stop or semaphore signal. Stop, proceed, stop, caution, proceed. These are the various position of the signal. Then Warner signal. This is the semaphore Warner signal on a post by itself on. This is the rear arm, and this is a semaphore Warner signal on a post by itself off. This is the off, this is the on. Okay, after that, this is the combination of Warner stop, combination Warner caution, combination Warner proceed. This is the lower lone Warner, lone Warner caution. Okay, these are the some types of signals. Semaphore and Warner signal. Semaphore and Warner signals can be placed on a same. The pole semaphore is placed on a top and the Warner at about 2 meter below it. Signals indication both in horizontal position, neither approaching section or not next block is clear. When semaphore is inclined and Warner horizontal, proceed with precaution, that is section up to a station is clear but not the block beyond. Okay, both in inclined position, track is clear and proceed with confidence. These are the type of shunting signal, that is ground signal. These signals are used for shunting operation in situation years, and therefore they are called shunting signals. They are of shape of a circular disc with a red band on a white background. The disc can revolve in a vertical plane by pulling the lever by hand. This is the shunting signal. Okay, actually now these days actually light is using, maximum light is using these semaphore. These things are very backdated thing, so this is the problem. But somehow in your exam the question will come. Okay, this is another type of shunting. The following indications are given by the the following indications are given by disc or shunting signals. Okay, just do it. The following indication is given by disc or shunting signals. When the red band of disc is in horizontal position or it shows red light at night, it indicates stop. And when the red band is in inclined position or shows green light at night, it indicates proceed. Same thing, always, all time the same things are coming. The When the red band of disk in horizontal position or shows red light at night, it indicates stop. When the red band is indicated in inclined position or shows green light at night, it indicates proceed. Color light signals. Special signals. Repeater signal, calling signal, routing signal, point indicator, modified lower quadrant semaphore signals. These are the some special signals. Calling on signal, these signals are similar to semaphore signal, but they are smaller in size and are fixed on the same post below the main signals. A calling on signal permits a train to proceed with caution after the train has been brought to a halt by the train main signal. These are helpful when repair works are going on. Stop, proceed, slow, stop, proceed, slow. These are the calling on signal. Routing signal. When many branch lines diverge in a different directions from the main line, it is very difficult to provide individual signal for each line at the divergent point. In such situations, various signals for main line and branch lines are fixed on the same vertical post. These signals are called the routing signals. Generally, signals or for main line is kept higher than those or branch lines. Okay. These are the some routing signals. These are the routing signal. Train, junction signal, direction of travel points. This is one signal. This is again another signal. This is the train. This kind of routing signals are used. Repeater signal. This is repeater signal. Color light signals. Suppose this is for proceed, reduce speed, caution, speed restriction, and finally stop. Okay. For proceed, 2 light type, 3 light type, 4 light type, 4 light type, acha, 4 light type A, 4 light type B, 5 light type. These are some systems. Color light signals. Under color light signals, this is a proceed, reduce speed. This is indicating reduced speed. This is indicating caution. This is indicating speed restriction. This is stop. These are some signaling system. These systems are very old system. Now these systems are not very popular or very low track, very low, few tracks they have used. They are using this type signal system. I have taken some PPT to describe these things. I have taken one PPT to describe this thing because they have mentioned all the things as far as possible. So this is today's class. Okay. Just wait. I think these are the enough for signaling system, because some theory question will come, and just follow the Agarwal book, whatever written just read out, because much more things have been changed in signaling system, which are not uh, using now these days. And we can even don't understand the system also changed, because in this figure you can also correlate what I want to say. Suppose suppose in light system, if we talk about the light system, okay, in the light system you can see this green line, green, okay, this is when this is green, this is indicating proceed, and when green and yellow it is indicating reduced speed, when yellow caution, when two yellow light that is speed restriction, and when red it is totally stop. But in your this system depends on the this bar, this arm, totally depends on this arm, and when this arm is straight, okay, that is indicating stop. So huge difference between color and this system, and now these days these systems are not using, but as per syllabus these systems are now still is present. So you should study, you should be answered for your exam questions. Even this signal is using, I am not saying this signal systems are not using, these are using, but very few tracks, for very few tracks they are using this kind of signals, where the traffic is very low, the traffic volume is very low, that which tracks are taking very low traffic load, at that traffic situations, at that locations they are using the old systems. But now these days when the we are planning to moving towards the bullet train, high speed train, at that situation these signals are no meaning to existence of these signals, even to study these signals. But these are the basics, these are the beginning of our Indian railway system signaling systems. Even in railway engineering throughout the world these signal systems are first they came, and now we are transferred ourselves to the lighting system. This is the difference between the signal, but still this system is using, because when your light is not working, when basically in the daytime, this when the light is not necessary, this is basically in the lineman, trackman, gangman, they are used this kind of flag for signaling purpose. Okay, so this thing is important, because this thing is now still it is working in any track, in any railway system in India, in anywhere this kind of the flags are using for giving signal to the train, giving signal for pass, your line is clear or not, these flags are used. So these flags are still it is using, and the lighting system are using in Indian Railway. But this system is, the use of this system is decreasing day by day. Even very few tracks, very few pocket rail lines they are using, still they are using this type of signal system, the semaphore system, arm system, whatever the calling system, okay, the shunting system they are using. Okay, just wait, I am taking the attendance. Okay, thank you, you can leave. Okay, I have taken attendance. Thank you.